How about this setup? This is pretty darn nice. What I do, I can use change the device, change slide this, put another dog up in there. Tighten up. Work on it. That's a little work, that piece. But that's pretty nice. I got it in there. Probably do a lot of this here, you know, slides. Any of the holes. This way. I think that'd be pretty handy. Making them like that. I have my other ones too I can use for the way out. I can put these on the end of the table down there. I got a line of holes all the way. I can put these on down the end. Do the same thing. Like this one here. This is the same. Stick it in. I can use this whole set of holes now all the way up the table. I have a set over there too. Pretty nice. I think it'll work out good. Alright. Maybe you can make them if you like them. Alright.